Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I am showing you how to restore accidentally deleted contacts from Android device. I am deleting a contact on my Android phone. Deleted my contact name A. Now I am showing how to restore it. Open Settings. Scroll down and select Google. Scroll down, then select Setup and Restore. Select Restore Contacts. Open Current Device. Then select Restore. Here showing message restoring contacts in the background. Open Contacts, just refresh it. Thanks for watching my videos. Subscribe me if you like this channel and please share if you like the video.